And yeah, so I think the camera might be a bit zoomed in right now, but that's fine. Okay, cool. So this is the final look of the, what's it called, reverse eyeliner. I don't have any eyelashes on, and you guys know I love my lashes. I always wear eyelashes. So what I am going to do now, I'm going to put some lashes on and just see what the look, like what does it look like with eyelashes, right? I feel like I like this sort of like reverse eyeliner. It's very different. I don't normally do my eyes like this. It's completely the opposite of what I would prefer to do. But it's very like, I don't know, I can get used to it. I feel like it's very sophisticated. It's very sultry as well. I feel like it's perfect for like winter because it does have that whole smoky effect under the eye. So it's got, you know what I mean? So it's got this winter feel, or you can even wear it in the evening. It's very extremely sultry. Whereas normally I like very like flirtatious makeup where it's just like the Barbie doll look, you know, very clean under eyes, no liner under the eyes. But yeah, this is what we have. I'm gonna put the lashes on and then we'll take it from there. But I can totally get used to something like this. I don't know. Okay, cool. Let me put the lashes on and then take it from there. Okay. It's probably so dark now. Cool guys, so I am literally done. Thank you so much for watching my very quick reverse eyeliner video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. And yeah, I'm not sure what other videos I'm gonna do soon, but like I haven't been consistent. I know, like yo, it's quite hectic, trying to manage this whole YouTube thing. It is. It's they make it look easy. But anyways, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. And let me know what your thoughts are and what other videos you guys want to see. But yeah, thanks for watching. See ya. Okay, cool guys. So I thought, you know what, let me do like outfit of the day. I've never ever done outfit of the day. I'm chilling at home, so like I'm just relaxing. And I always notice I always wear this top in my videos. I think it's like my comfy at home top. So hey, if you see it in all my videos, just know I'm probably not going anywhere, and it's my home top. Okay, so yeah. Anyway, so outfit of the day, I have this amazing cardigan. This is by Joe Bouquet. I think that's how you say it, right? Or Jenny Button, one of those two. I have this wonderful top. I think I got it from H&M if I remember correctly. And then I have these beautiful jeans, boyfriend jeans. I've had these for the longest time. Boyfriend jeans, they're super cute. They're sort of like lost color because obviously I've washed them through the years and now they're like a bit faded. They're not like as dark, but it's fine. And then they have like these amazing cuts on them, which is like super chic. I have my socks on and my, what do you call these, loafers slash, I don't know what you call these, whatever, Cavella, I don't know what they call these, whatever, but they're so adorable. I've had these since like last year. These are from H&M. super comfortable, and they really are so durable. Then I have my Fossil watch, and then I have my bracelets, which I got from Cartier. Haha, I'm lying, from Lovisa, but one day. And there you are. So that's it. And then